Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Calm app. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.